Welcome to the University of Bradford's tutorial on soft contact lens care. In this short video we are going to demonstrate the best techniques and practices researched in the application and removal of your contact lenses. Some of you may be nervous to put them on. Don't be. You'll be surprised how quick and easy it is to learn. Before we start, here are a few reminders. The contact lenses cannot get lost at the back of your eye. They cannot get stuck to your eye, and they are almost impossible to fall out on their own. When applying the lens, you should think about it as placing the lens on the eye and not in your eye. In fact, you're not touching your eye at all. It's a lot easier than you think, and the more times you do it, the easier it gets. One last tip, if you're applying makeup or any body creams, do this after you've applied your lenses so it doesn't end up on them. So, let's get started. Make sure you wash your hands before touching your contact lens or your eyes to remove any dirt and germs. Use soap and make sure you cover all areas of your hands. This includes your palms, in between your fingers above and below, interlocking your fingers and rubbing the back of your fingers, rubbing your thumbs in a rotational manner, and finally rubbing the tips on your palms for both hands. This should take about 30 seconds to complete. Rinse with water and dry completely with a towel to remove all moisture which could cause the contact lens to stick to your finger. Applying the lens onto the eye is simple. Let's first practice without the lens. Using your dominant hand, pull down the lower eyelid at the lashes using your middle finger. Use your other middle finger to hold the lashes of the top eyelid. This reduces your chance of blinking and helps keep the eyes nice and wide. Once you feel confident, you are ready to apply the lens. Starting with the right lens to reduce any complication and mix-up of lenses, remove the contact lens from its case or package by scooping it out with your index finger of your dominant hand. Place the lens onto the palm of your other hand. Pour solution onto the lens and simply rub the lens using your index finger for 30 seconds. Make sure you clean both sides to remove any content. Dry your finger and place the lens on your dominant hand's index finger. Inspect the lens for any particles or tears. Take a closer look. If the lens is shaped like a bowl with a straight edge, this is correct. If the lens bows out or curves outwards, it is inside out. If unsure, push the lens edges together. If the edges curl towards each other, like the edges of a taco, this is correct. If the edges curl out, the lens is inside out. Simply flip the lens over. Hold the lids apart with your middle fingers, as practiced earlier. Looking up, place the lens onto the white part of your eye and look down, left and right to help center the lens. Release the lower eyelid first and then the upper eyelid. Blink a few times. If you feel any discomfort, simply close the eyes and lightly massage the lids. Once the lens is on the eye, cover your left eye, making sure you can see objects clearly with your right eye and that the contact lens feels comfortable. Now follow the same steps for your left eye. Once both lenses have been applied, simply throw away the packet of your one-day lenses or clean your lens case. Do this by emptying the solution and rubbing your case, then rinse the case with your solution provided by your optometrist. Empty the solution and wipe the case with a tissue. Finally, leave the case upside down on a tissue to air dry. Remember to never clean your lenses or case with water. After an action-packed day wearing your lenses, it's now time to take them off. Most people find removing contacts are easier than putting them on. Let's go over the removal process. Start by washing your hands thoroughly like you did before applying the lenses onto the eye, using the same method earlier in this video. Make sure you rinse and dry your hands completely with a towel. Starting with the right eye again, hold the lids apart using both middle fingers. Now using the index finger of your dominant hand, slide the lens onto the white part of the eye and squeeze the lens using your thumb and index finger to remove the lens. If you're wearing one-day lenses, simply throw your lenses in the bin. If not, place the lens onto the center of the palm, pour solution onto the lens and simply rub the lens using your index finger for 30 seconds. Make sure you clean both sides to remove any content. Now place your cleaned contact lenses into your previously cleaned lens case and fill with solution ready to wear again. Follow the same steps to remove your lenses from your left eye. It is important to follow the instructions given by your optometrist on lens schedule replacement and storage case replacements if you're not wearing one-day lenses. You must also remember not to sleep, shower or swim in your contact lenses to ensure your lens stay comfortable and your eyes stay healthy. That sums up the University of Bradford Soft Contact Lens tutorial on the application and removal of soft contact lenses. For any specific questions regarding your contact lenses, please contact your optometrist or contact lens specialist. Thank you for watching.